Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. And so we're gonna collect the dinosaurs.
So we're gonna play some bowling ball, right?
Yeah.
So these are our competitors. So we have the dragon here. We got a T-Rex, another T-Rex, a small green T-Rex, a Indominus Rex, another T-Rex, and a
Brachiosaurus.
Good job, guys. So we have these dinosaurs, and we're gonna try to knock them down with this ball right here, the blue ball. So Tyler, are you ready?
Yeah.
On your marks, get set, throw it. Oh man, you didn't get any. Try again. Oops. Nope. Try again. Oh, dragon down. Dragon down. 1 point. Ooh. T-Rex down. Go. Oops. No point. But it's okay. Try again. Oh. Ooh. Indominus Rex is not going down. Try again. Oh, that was a close one. Good job. Okay, go again. Oh, you got it. Give me 5. Awesome. Ooh, you got the T-Rex too. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 points. Good job. Give me 5. Give me 5. That was 4 points.
We're going to get 2 points.
Okay. Okay, again, ready? Oop. Good job. Try again.
Okay. I missed.
You missed, but it's okay. We got this. Oh. These dinosaurs and the dragon don't want to go down. So, boom. Close. You're close. Oh, you're close. Ah, we're close. You're close. Ooh, he did not go down. Did he go down? Let's check it out. Hey, that's cheating. Okay, good job. You got 1 right there.
Yeah.
How many did he knock down?
1, 2, 3.
3?
2.
You knocked down 2 of them?
No, lost them.
Wow. Awesome job.
Now it's number 2. Everyone say great job, Tyler. Good job, Tyler. Let me say good job, Tyler.
Good job, Tyler. Okay, so now we're setting up the dinosaurs again.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Let me see, that's so cool.
That's so cool.
Daddy, let me see, whoa.
Guys, I see a T-Rex. It's running right there. Oh, where'd it go? Did you guys see it?
Right here.
Did you guys see it, Tyler?
No, one is one here. That is one. I see it. I see it. That is
Ooh.
That is.
Okay, so let's go. Let's see. Good job, guys. Tyler got a total of 3 points today, and it's great.
And me too.
Yeah, you too.
I got like.
Yeah. The T-Rex loves to eat pterodactyls. Okay, Tyler, ready? Go! Whoa, so he knocked down the Indominus Rex.
No, I'm too bad, dragon.
And the dragon. And he just needs the 2 T-Rexes and the big, what's it called again? The big dinosaur? That one? That one.
I'm a brachiosaurus.
Oh, Brachiosaurus. There you go.
Pirates.
Guys, I think it's time for a timeout, and I think it's time to bring the robot T-Rexes to play right here so you guys can show them to your viewers and stuff. Hey guys, so it's time for a timeout, and we are about to bring out the dinosaur T-Rexes. Come on, let's go get.
My pterodactyl. Daddy's. Uh-oh. Maybe this one will work.
Okay, wait. Alright.
Daddy, we're gonna do Santa to bring us a new one.
Yeah.
It does this by itself.
Whoa, it looks like he's dancing.
It's dancing.
Yeah.
And it's dancing again. And it stopped.
Okay, good job. Okay, Tyler, so we're leaving already. So tell everyone thank you for watching and see you guys next time.
Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye guys. See you next watching this.